Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the Lancôme Renergie Lift Makeup Foundation. This product claims to deliver full coverage while providing hydration and sun protection with SPF 27. It's designed for dry to normal skin types and promises a luminous finish, which is quite appealing. The Lancôme Renergie Lift Foundation comes in a cream form, specifically in the shade 310 Clair 30, tailored for tan skin tones with cool pink undertones. As you apply it, you'll notice its smooth texture and how it glides on the skin. The foundation aims to not only cover imperfections, but also offer long-lasting hydration for up to 12 hours. In my experience testing this foundation, I found it straightforward to apply. Using a makeup sponge, it blended seamlessly into my skin, providing excellent coverage without feeling heavy. It held up well throughout the day, maintaining its luminous finish, which I appreciated. However, I did notice that those with oily skin might find it a bit too dewy, so it may require some setting powder for a matte look. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the foundation's hydration properties were noticeable, and the full coverage effectively masked blemishes and uneven skin tone. The luminous finish gave my skin a healthy glow without looking greasy. However, on the downside, the shade range could be more inclusive, and the price point might be on the higher side for some consumers. When it comes to value for money, the Lancôme Renergie Lift Foundation sits at a premium price, but considering its hydrating formula and full coverage, it could be worth the investment, especially for those who prioritize skincare in their makeup routine. It's essential to weigh this against other similar foundations available, such as the Estée Lauder Double Wear or Maybelline Fit Me, which offer comparable coverage but may differ in formulation and finish. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and feels durable, with a pump dispenser that prevents waste. This thoughtful design enhances the overall user experience. While I haven't had direct interactions with Lancôme's customer support, the brand generally enjoys a solid reputation for customer service. For those looking for alternatives, if the Lancôme Renergie Lift Foundation isn't within your budget, the L'Oréal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation offers a similar luminous finish at a more accessible price point. In summary, the Lancôme Renergie Lift Makeup Foundation has some fantastic strengths, including its hydration, full coverage, and luminous finish, making it well-suited for those with dry to normal skin types. However, its premium price and limited shade range are worth considering before purchasing. If you're looking for a foundation that balances skincare and makeup, this could be an excellent choice for you. If you found this review useful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that other beauty enthusiasts can discover this video too. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to the product in the comments box below. Feel free to ask any questions or share your experiences if you've tried this foundation. Until next time, keep shining bright with Beautyistic.